Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you how we practice our sight words with using the Lego. So I have those kinds of Lego. I wrote on it two sight words. I used Sharpie. If you decide to change those sight words, you can use Clorox wipes and erase it, and it's great with that. So today we have Muhammad is going to match the letters. So I have here, it can fit two Legos. So we wrote the alphabet here. We wrote all the alphabet, and Muhammad is going to find the matching letters and write and stick it on top of the sight words. Is the letter? What is this letter, Muhammad? What is this sight word now?
I don't know.
And what is this? It. Good.
As.
Good.
B and E.
Good.
E. And now E. It's like the E is silent. The E is silent.
B.
B.
Good. Next one.
I found A.
Okay.
Now I need letter N.
And N.
N.
And good job. Next one.
I and a S. Is.
Good. Our next activity with the sight word is I wrote with the chalk some sight words, and I'm going to tell the kids this sight word, and they are going to pick up a balloon and pop it on the sight word. So let's see what's going to happen. Take a balloon and pop it on the sight word I. Good, high five. And go to the sight word go.
Go.
Good. So Yusuf, go and find the sight word flying. Good. Okay, Muhammad. A. Where is A? Good job. Now find for me the sight word cat. Cat. Our next activity with the sight word is build it. I got this thing from Dollar Tree. Good job.
Two.
Yusuf is going to build another sight word. What is this sight word, Yusuf?
I'm going to do fishing.
Okay.
Here, cat.
So our next activity with the sight word is the bingo. I found this worksheet on Pinterest. I will link the link down in the description. So what are we going to do is I picked the sight words, and they are going to pick one sight word, and they will find the matching one, and they are going to use the dot paint. When they find the sight word, they will dot it with the dot paint, and we will see. Okay, Yusuf is going to pick one sight word.
And then me. And.
Find the sight word and.
Go. Two.
Two.
I know I have to. I think I saw it.